We are going to double check right here. I feel scratchy. Then when you feel scratchy like this, you are going to seal it in. Seals a little bit. You don't want to squeeze too much out. You want to feel it first before you squeeze it out, and then you're going to seal it on the top. Cap all the beads in the frame to prevent from getting tarnished and catching on the hair or your clothes. Make sure during the time you are going to key for the clients, the clients are keying their nails under the LED light, make sure you ask them to like turn their hands back and forth to make sure that the LED lights will key completely on this edges and that's edges on anywhere you might think is gonna catching on. So then that way it will cure really well and full cure for all of the crystal placements, crystal design. So you can definitely go back and forth if you feel like it's still scratchy when the client is like feeling like, oh, Nancy, it's just still catching on my hair. They can definitely go back and seals it again. Make sure every single time you seal it, you want to flash key at first 30 seconds and then you do it again to avoiding a lot of like overflows the precision glue gels, and it might look big lumpies around with the crystal designs when you finish. So this looks really cool. It looks really good in person though. Here is for Instagram. It looks really good in person. Okay, so here for 60 seconds. All right, so here is the final looks for both of them. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe up some of the residues from the crystals. I'll show you the final look. And then the second one.